Hey everyone, it's Katie from CEO Kid here to tell you some of my favorite tips and tricks on how to get your very own business started. Thinking of your idea is only the first step when it comes to being a CEO Kid. In the world of technology, one of the best and easiest ways to get the word out about your business is through a website. With only one click, friends, family members, and potential new customers can easily find out all about your services and your mission statement. But you might be asking me, Katie, how do I build my own website? I've never done that before. I'm not a technological genius. Well, that's where I come in. Today, I'm going to be teaching you step by step how to create a beautiful and professional website for your business for free. So today we're going to be using a free website called CANVA in order to get our websites online. So we're going to go ahead and type in canva.com and you're going to scroll over to where it says templates and you're going to click website. It's underneath the tab business because you are starting your own business. So next we're gonna pick our theme. Canva has so many free templates that you can use to get started. So let's say that I am running a baking business so I can sell lots of cookies and cupcakes to my friends and family and all my clients. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one because it's professional and fun, just like the vibe I want for my business. Here's a CEO Kid tip. Make sure that the template that you're choosing does not have a money sign or a little crown at the bottom because those require you to pay for them or require a paid subscription. So now that we have our template, let's customize. There are three main sections that I think that all CEO Kids should have on their website, and I'm going to talk you through them. But this is your business, so if you want to make them your own or if you want to add even more things that I don't say, feel free to do so to make it all your own. First, we're going to go ahead and create an About page. This should be the most important page on your website because it's telling potential customers who you are, what you're selling, and what you're about. You're going to want to be clear and concise, containing all the information they might need, as well as visually appealing. So we're going to use fun fonts, fun colors, all things that go along with the brands we're creating, as well as some fun pictures for some good visuals. Next, we're going to create a page about our services. So this one is important because without it, the clients aren't going to know what you're selling or how much you're selling it for. This is another tab that we need to make sure is easy to read and really clear so that clients can find exactly what they're looking for when they visit this page of your website. Whether you're listing a good or a service, your prices need to be clear and your product needs to be clear. Finally, let's make a page that makes it quick and easy for clients to contact you about purchasing your goods or service. If your parents say it's okay, you can add a little tab that even lets people email you directly if they would like to purchase. I think we are ready for our website to hit the internet. So we're gonna go ahead and click this publish button and it will be live. Now you can share the link with your friends, your family, post it on social media so that everyone can know about your new business. And we wanna see your new business. So if you create a website using this tutorial, go ahead and comment the link underneath this video so that we can hear all about your business too. Again, I'm Katie for CEO Kid. Make sure you like this video and subscribe for more of my tips and tricks on how you can start your very own business through CEO Kid. Bye guys, see you next time.